In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in ConvertKit. In order to do that, you first need to head over to kit.com. So as you can see, ConvertKit has been rebranded as Kit, as they say so on their website. So what you can do is you need to head over and then click on the Start Free Trial in order to get a 14 days free trial of their tool. As you can see, they don't require any credit card, so that's good. So if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login right here. Now, I have in here my dashboard. So in order to create an email template, proceed to click onto this send right here. And we have in here our email template. Click onto this right here. From in there, you should be able to see some email templates that I already have. I have in here this text only as well as this weekend right here. Click on this new email template. Once you have done that, you should be able to choose right here some templates from starting points, classic, as well as template library, or you can also import code using this one. If you do choose a template library, you will be redirected to the marketplace wherein you can see some free templates as well as paid templates. So you can make them yours by editing them. For example, let's choose in here this one, which is an author book tour. Let's click on this, and then this will open the ConvertKit's editor. Click on this, use this template, and then this will copy this, and you will be redirected to the actual editor. So proceed to edit it to your liking. For example, let's name this right here JK Rowling, and then change in here the actual image, as well as add some more templates that you wish to utilize. You can also change out some things right here, and also do some things more than necessary. You can also change the actual template's background colors, change its buttons, as well as everything that you have right there. Once you're done with that, click on this create broadcast. And then once you have actually created this, it will be added as your template. So here it is right here. So that's how you create email template in ConvertKit. Hope we helped.